Can nail polish cause onycholysis? Have you ever wondered if that beautiful nail polish you love could be causing your nails to separate from the nail bed? This condition is known as onycholysis, and it can be concerning. Let's break down how nail polish might play a role in this nail disorder. First, it is important to understand that nail polish itself does not directly cause onycholysis. Onycholysis is the separation of the nail plate from the nail bed, and it usually occurs due to trauma or damage to the nail. However, certain practices associated with nail polish can contribute to this condition. For instance, the application and removal of nail polish, especially long-lasting or gel polishes, can lead to keratin degranulation. This means the structure of keratin in the nail plate can be disrupted, which may result in white patches or striations. Over time, this weakening can make the nail more prone to separating from the nail bed. Another factor to consider is the technique used when applying or removing nail polish. Overfiling or aggressively removing gel polish can thin the nail plate, increasing the risk of detachment. If you are using improper removal techniques, such as forcibly peeling off the polish, this can also cause trauma that leads to onycholysis. Manicure practices that damage or remove the cuticle can further break the natural barrier that protects the nail bed. This can make the nails more susceptible to infections, like chronic paronychia, which can also contribute to nail separation. Allergic reactions to nail products can be another factor. If you have a sensitivity to certain ingredients in nail polish, this could lead to inflammation and potentially result in onycholysis. Additionally, repeated exposure to water or solvents, as well as minor trauma from keeping nails too long or wearing tight footwear on toenails, can also play a role. From a dermatology perspective, onycholysis is often the result of multiple factors. While nail polish alone is not the main cause, the mechanical and chemical effects from its use, combined with other factors like trauma or infections, can lead to this condition. To minimize the risk of onycholysis related to nail polish, proper nail care is essential. This includes gentle polish removal, avoiding excessive filing, and protecting the cuticle. If you notice signs of onycholysis, it is wise to consult a dermatologist. They can help identify the underlying cause and recommend appropriate treatment.